Today we're at the Animal Welfare League where we're showcasing the Sungrow hybrid system that Level Electrical have installed here for the organisation. It's been specifically designed to ensure that these guys can power their whole site throughout the day, but also continue to power throughout the night by utilising the battery system that's been implemented. The supply partners are a technical distributor. We help our customers not just in terms of the supplying the goods that go into the job, but also supporting them through the design and the actual sales process before they sell the systems. And then we're all about supporting our customers from end to end too. So after the system's been put in, we help them from a technical services perspective. The guys on site can lean on our team to assist with any technical queries they've got on install, but also supporting the system into the future. So the system's designed for a 10 to 20 year lifespan, and our intention is to be able to support that and provide products that are going to stand that test of time.